Yo, what it do? It's your boy BC Wagner, the Mental Hustle Millionaire. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing out there? Today, I'm going to give you the 5 simple step formula for making a YouTube video for your channel, whatever the subject is. You know what I'm saying? And I got these written down, so I'm going to read this off a piece of paper. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a whole bunch of subscribers right now. I got 45 subscribers on my channel right now. But with the information that I was just armed with and what I'm finna pass along to you, I soon will have 1,000 subscribers, and that's what I'm shooting for. Just my immediate goal is to get 1,000 subscribers, and I'm already on my way without this information. So here we go. 5 simple steps to making a video on your YouTube channel. Step number 1. First thing that you want to do is, say hi and tell people who you are. Just like I always start my videos, what's happening? It's your boy BC Wagner, the Mental Hustle Millionaire. Introduce yourself. Step number 1. That's what you want to do, because people coming to your channel, they want to know who you are. They're like, man, who is this guy? I don't even know him. But you want to let people know who you are. So step number 1 is that you want to identify yourself. Now, step number 2. You're going to say what you're going to do or what your video is about, i.e., hi, my name is Byron, and I'm going to give you the 5 steps formula for making a YouTube video. Boom, that's it. That's all you have to say. So make sure that you tell people what you're going to talk about. And then step number 3 is probably the easiest. Step 3 is tell your story. Everybody has a story, no matter what it is. I don't care if you got up on the wrong side of bed this morning, if you got on the right side of the bed, if you got up and you was feeling good, or if you got up and you was feeling bad. Tell your story. Everybody has a story. People come and watch your videos because of the story. You know what I'm saying? You got to have that hook that's going to catch them, that's going to bring them in to watch your channel, and then you got to tell your story, what you all about. Everybody knows what I'm about. I'm about getting this money on the internet. You know what I'm saying? My former occupation used to be police officer. After that, I was a security guard, and I was doing everything else entrepreneurial. But now I finally got it laser focused now that I'm an internet marketer. So tell your story. And you do have a story. Your story is interesting to somebody. Remember, when these videos are viewed, they're viewed all around the world. All around the world. You may be big over in India. You may be big somewhere in Africa. You may be big somewhere in Malaysia. You never know. But somebody is watching your video, and you will have a story that will appeal to everybody. Okay? Now, step number 4. What you want to do is you want to, how do you put this? You want to inform people or ask people, if you like this video, I would appreciate if you give me a like. And if you would like to see more videos like this, leave me a sub. A sub is short for subscribe. You want people to subscribe to your channel so they can view your content. And if you're putting out interesting content, people will do those 2 things. But do not be afraid to ask. Look, my channel is called the Mental Hustle Millionaire. I'm not a millionaire on paper, meaning I don't have it in the bank yet, but I'm a millionaire up here. And this is where it starts, believe it or not. You have to have a vision of accumulating $1 million before you actually have it in your hand. You know what I'm saying? And one of the ways of doing that is through meditation. Meditation is the result of creation. This is what my mentor, Wesley, billion-dollar version, constantly preaches. Meditation is the result of creation. You have to see yourself with it first, and then it manifests into reality. I have another channel on Facebook called Inner Reality Realm. And what that is that your inner reality is what's going to produce your outer experience. So if you get a chance, go on over to Facebook, check out Inner Reality Realm, and you'll see what that page is all about in due perspective. And finally, step number 5. Step number 5 is edify. Now, what do I mean by edify? Edify means that you're going to pump up someone else who's more experienced or who has more knowledge in the field or thing that you're trying to do. My business mentor, Wesley Virgin, he knows how to make money online. So I listen to every word he says, period. If he says jump, I'm jumping. I'm not going to even ask how high. All I know is I'm jumping because this guy has proven success strategies and the boy makes bank, period. I don't jock people for what they got. All their material stuff, I'm not a materialistic person. I don't jock people because they got a hot car, sports car, nice house, all that. But I look at it in admiration and I look at it as inspiration to make me get up off my lazy ass to get out there and get it. And I have to be honest with you. I've been lazy. I ain't gonna lie. I've been lazy. I owe people, I owe institutions, and I owe companies, but I'm still going forward. And I had to get up off my ass and finally sit in front of this video camera and be honest with myself and be honest with you that, hey, if somebody else can do it, I can do it. You can do it. And that's what this is all about. So being able to follow someone's example, not reinvent the wheel. Don't change up anything. Just model what they do. My mentor, Wesley, he tells that, he constantly preaches that. Model, model, model. That's not mean to copy. You know what I'm saying? What it means is just structure your video around a video that's getting views or a video that's popular. Not hard to do. But most of us, we get stuck because we always think what other people are going to think. Look, me sitting here making this video, I don't care what anybody thinks. You know why? Because I've been broke. I'm not going to stay broke. Period. I'm not. Not if I have something to do with it. Now, my actions come a little slow. That's because I had to kick my own self in the butt. But you know what I'm getting at. You can't be afraid to be on camera. You can't be afraid to expose yourself. You know what I'm saying? So, long as you are in the struggle, you are in the fight, you still got a chance. So do not give up on yourself. Stop feeling sorry for yourself and just get up and do it. So step number 5 again is to edify someone who is more of an expert in your field that you are. And let me go over those 5 steps again. Step number 1, you want to introduce yourself, say your name. Step number 2, talk about what you're going to do. Step number 3, tell your story. Step number 4, ask for a like and ask for a subscription to your channel. Step number 5, edify. Edify the expert, edify your mentor, edify someone so that way it takes the pressure off of you. You know what I'm saying? And so those are the 5 simple steps of the 5 simple step formula for creating videos on YouTube. And I have to say this, I'm going to put this as an asterisk. It should be 6, but I'll just put this as an asterisk. Before you do your video, say to yourself that you're going to create the best video possible with the greatest content that provides the most value. Tell that to yourself. In fact, what I do is I meditate shortly before I put this video together or before I do anything. Just like you see athletes, sports players, celebrities, whatever. You'll see them go off by the corner by themselves. They get to talking to themselves. Whoop. That's a sort of form of meditation. And what a meditation is just you actually self-energizing yourself. And you are reassuring yourself that you are about to tackle the task at hand. Am I a professional at this? No, I'm an amateur, just like everybody else that's on YouTube. But you know what I did? I decided to get up off my ass and to make a stand for myself and my family, my kids. Well, I don't have a family no more. I've been divorced twice, but for my kids, you know what I'm saying? So there's things that I have to get out of my comfort zone to do in order to be successful. And I'm going to tell you this, on the road to being a millionaire, is going to be uncomfortable. You are going to be like, oh my God, I don't know if I want to do this, or who's going to be looking at me, or what they're going to think about me. Look, they're talking about you anyway, whether you know it or not. So if they're going to talk about you, they might as well be talking about you on your way up. You know what I'm saying? Because you're going up. You done already been down to the bottom. Ain't nothing down here. We going up to where everything is up here. And let me tell you, it's all in your own consciousness. So before you start your video, talk to yourself. Energize yourself. Pump yourself up. Tell yourself that you're going to make the best video with the most content, with the most value that you can offer people. And just like an actor, before he goes into a role or they're going to shoot, they pump themselves up. They got the lines memorized. They see the performance in their mind before they even get in front of the camera. Athletes do this too. This is proven. Athletes sit and visualize. Visualization is a really, really great technique during meditation that will help you produce whatever it is that you're trying to produce. So make sure that you meditate and talk to yourself before you do those 5 steps. And with that being said, that's the end of the video. Look, if you like the video and if I offered you some value, if I gave you value in this short video, hit the like button. And if you want me to produce more videos like this, give me a subscribe to the channel, and I'll make sure I do it. I want to thank my mentor, Wesley $1 billion Virgin, for his leadership and his dedication to helping people. And if you ain't never heard of Wesley, make sure you check out my videos in the descriptions. I got links to where you can get these programs. You can get meditation programs. You can get visualization programs. Even, look, if you want to even learn how to make sleep money, I'm talking about $1,000 a day. Sleep money while you sleeping. Check out the description in my videos. Hit the links. Go to the links. They're in there somewhere. You know what I'm saying? I want to just say, hey, thanks to all my 45 subscribers that I got right now and the future subscribers that's going to come to this channel. And I want to thank my mentor, Wesley $1 billion Virgin, for giving me the insight, for giving me the motivation to get up off my ass and to get it done. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, this is your boy, BC Wagner. Be sure to check out the comments. Leave a comment. I'm going to answer them. Leave your comments. Even if you got something nasty to say. I know how to answer even negative comments, but the whole thing is you're trying to build yourself up, and you're going to be ridiculed. Sticks and rocks are going to be thrown at you. Toughen up, man. Just say, forget it. Toughen it up. No matter who throws what at you, don't stop your journey. It's your boy, BC Wagner, the Mental Hustle Millionaire, and this is the 5 simple step formula for making videos on YouTube. All right, I'm out of here. Holla at your boy. We'll talk to you later. Peace.